The easiest way to find wholesaling real estate deals with no money for free. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I want to show you exactly some of my easiest ways to actually go out here and find wholesaling real estate deals with no money at all. But I just don't want to tell you. What I'm going to do is actually go and show you behind my computer how you could start doing these strategies right now, absolutely for free. Well, let's start off with one of the easiest and fastest ways to find wholesaling real estate deals when you got no cash and you just want to get a deal right now in a snap. And this would be the Zillow for sale by owners. Now, Zillow for sale by owners is an amazing way to find deals if you're just looking to do it really quick and with no money at all. So let's go inside of Zillow and see what we got. So right here, we are in Zillow, and what I'm gonna do right here is show you how to find some FSBOs real quick. So let's search St. Louis houses, for example. So let's search like Fort Wayne, Indiana right here. So what we're gonna do here is just go here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, just a random market. And let me show you how to find the for sale by owners pretty easy. What you're gonna do is go to for sale, make sure it's clicked. You can mess up your prices here. I mean, I probably wouldn't get anything above 450K in this market. Home type, deselect all. Make sure it's only houses, manufactured homes, townhomes, and multifamily. Condos, it's up to you. Click more, and then just switch by agent to by owner, and I get rid of that one. And then all the for sale by owners right now are gonna be right there. Go by newest and scroll down to all the older ones. And we're gonna find are properties like this that have been listed for over 100 and some odd days. And what you're gonna do is just offer 70% of the listing price. So this property here is listed for 199 grand. What I'm gonna do here is offer 140 grand on this house as my initial offer MAO and just lock it up for below that price. The cool part about FSBOs is you can lock them up really quick and really easy, and they're very accessible to do. The main issue is in your local market, it's hard to pull a bunch of these, and it's really difficult to do this on a large scale basis in your market because you can probably run through all your FSBOs pretty fast. Now, one of my favorite free strategies too is something I call reverse Facebook ads or free reverse Facebook ads. And I also call this digital bandit signs, but this is a strategy where you can actually go out here and basically make mini Facebook ads for free, and you're reverse hacking the Facebook ads process. So you can send out free ads out to Facebook users saying that you're looking to buy a couple of houses in the area for cash. And all you do is have AI write all the scripts for you. So let's get behind ChatGPT here, and let me show you how to do these reverse Facebook ads. So just go to ChatGPT and say, write a Facebook post in the Pittsburgh Steelers fan club group that I'm looking to buy 2 houses in the area for cash next month. Talk about how I'm a Steelers fan and be creative so I can get leads, and see what ChatGPT writes. And ChatGPT is going to basically write a little ad for you to post in. Let's say I live in Pittsburgh and I'm looking to do deals in Pittsburgh. Hey, Steelers Nation, as a lifelong black and gold fan, I'm a Dolphins fan, but whatever. I know Pittsburgh pride runs deep and I'm looking to invest in the city we love. I'm on the hunt for 2 houses in Pittsburgh area to buy for cash next month. Whether you're looking to sell or someone who might be, I'm your guy. Let's keep it in the family. Nothing like working with a fellow Steelers fan to make it a win-win. Drop a comment or shoot me a message. So get rid of the leads part, but like, boom. All I do is copy this, copy, paste with emojis. He is getting more powerful. And what I do is just find these Facebook groups. For example, like this game right here, it's got 20,000 people in it. Pittsburgh Steelers fans for life and all these. And these people are most likely going to be locals in the Pittsburgh community or from that community or area. Also, the Pittsburgh Steelers news, 130,000 people. Like, you can just make a post and it gets in front of hundreds of thousands of people. This is how you do it. Heck, I just searched the Pittsburgh locals group and we got a bunch of these little Facebook groups in here. Pittsburgh Off the Beaten Path, You Local Pittsburgh, the Pittsburgh Singles group, which, I mean, maybe you want to make a post in there. But hey, you got the Pittsburgh Marketplace, small business promotion. You have all these little ones in here where you can make these posts and do these reverse Facebook ads. Heck, if you even want to step it up a notch, you can actually go out here and do this on Craigslist too and start getting inbound leads. This is a really powerful strategy to get free inbound leads for wholesaling that you're probably not doing right now. On top of this too, one of my other free ways to generate leads is calling government lists. Now, so if you actually want to look over my shoulder of me pulling government lists, you're going to have to go to my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, so you can actually see it without it being taken down. But what I could show you is just what you need to do, which is if you want to get the code violations, I would go to code enforcement for your city and your county and request all code violations active for the past 30 days, clerk of the court for the probates, and every other type of government list we teach at freewholesaling.com. Now, when you get these leads, you're going to have to get their phone number and talk to them. My biggest source for getting somebody's phone number that costs no money at all is cyberbackgroundchecks.com. Cyberbackgroundchecks.com is an amazing website. YouTube gets a little finicky with exactly what's privacy policy with phone numbers and things. So I'm just going to show the website right here. You can basically go by address, their email, you can reverse through the phone number, and you can get a lot of their great information right here. Cyber background checks right here is absolutely amazing. And then if you're looking at SMS text blast, I would definitely use the same dialer service I recommend for everyone who doesn't have any money, which is Google Voice or voice.google.com. If you go there, you can actually start texting sellers for free. I would use ChatGPT or Gemini AI to get these scripts done, but you'll be able to text blast your sellers and call them all in one platform. And then last but not least, again, JVing or networking with other sellers and just splitting deals 50-50. When you have buyers and they have a deal they can't sell, or you have a deal you can't sell and they have buyers, it's a great way to get deals that cost no money at all with just joint venturing. Overall, money is not going to be the thing that's going to stop you from achieving wholesaling success. It's all about the action you take and the effort you do so you can go out here and start closing deals. Guys, if you're ready to start wholesaling real estate with no money at all, make sure you go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course. And like always, smash that like button, subscribe. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.